Phantom Fireworks. This is Lisa. How can I help
How you doing, Lisa? Listen, I'm bringing the rest of the fireworks there to the place. Where you want me to bring the rig in at?
Now, they told us we weren't getting them.
Well, yeah, I don't know. I'm about a half hour away or so. I got like at least half a trailer full back in here. I know it's kind of short notice. I mean, you don't want any extra stock with it. You know, the 4th being tomorrow, you ain't gonna be able to sell all of this, I don't think.
Yeah, they called us and told us we weren't getting it.
Oh, yeah, you know.
It was going, Madam Morris was taking it all.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Hello?
Okay. We're still here.
Yeah. I'm saying, well, first off, how much longer are you open?
Till 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay. So you got plenty of time because I'm like half hour out now. And so where you want me to pull front, back, any special places you want me to? Because I don't want to block a lot of people in.
No, the side. Nobody's there.
The side? All right. Oh, shit. Hang on.
Yep,
hang on.
side.
This is my exit right here. I got to get this exit. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Shit. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, goddamn. Son of a bitch.
He's half an hour away. Yeah, he just got into a truck accident.
Hello?
It's a bad prank.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
That's the same lady I was talking to.
Yeah?
You ain't getting no more fireworks tonight. There was an accident out here. God damn. The whole trailer separated from the cab. Looks like the goddamn 4th of July out here right now. I don't know what to tell you. Like,
where are you?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so fucking confused. I hit my head a little bit here. Do you know where exit, I think it's 131's at? I made that fucking right-hand turn, and that's a hell of a one. It's a 25 mile an hour around this curve, and I fucking misjudged it. Holy shit. Oh. Whew.
131? You're not even near us.
I see the red coats. God damn. Paul Revere's riding in this motherfucker. Oh, I hit my head hard. Oh. What was it? 1 if by land, 2 if by goddamn sea. They're definitely coming by sea. Whew. I'll walk for a little ways away from this trailer. Oh, it's sparking up. Oh, Jesus Christ. Y'all are still gonna pay me for this load though, right? Oh, shit.
Yeah, of course we are.
Who is that now? It sounds like a gentleman.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Oh, shit, I thought I was talking to a lady. You could kind of pull a trickster on me. Oh.
Yeah, I still need you here, though, with the trailer.
Well, the trailer's on the side of the road. We're going to have to get a wrecker over here, but they're going to have to get some type of foam retardant down on this to put these fireworks out.
That's fine, yeah. Just get it here when you can.
Get it where? I got the truck, but the trailer is a lost cause.
No trailer, no payment.
What do you mean no trailer, no payment? I just risked my goddamn life.
Yeah, but you're still alive. You're good.
Okay,
I still want my trailer. I can hear you laughing, too.
I'm not laughing about shit. I gotta go. Happy 4th of July. Shut up.
I
Don't laugh,
appreciate
don't
that. That was
laugh, don't
funny.
laugh at me, you son of a bitch. I just crashed the truck.
Well, okay. I'm sorry about that. Look,
the truck-
I'm
the
glad
truck-
you're fine.
the truck's
Like
everywhere.
I said, man.
There's cars
That's
honking
fine.
at
Like
me.
I said. Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Alright, that sounded really close and in the garage. However, no trailer, no payment.
Did you hang up on me? Hello. That's like telling
Hello?
me. That's like telling me no cum, no baby.
Basically.
Is that how it works? I failed biology. I failed 6 ed. So no cum, no baby is what you're telling me.
Yes.
Oh,
Yep. No
hey.
trailer, no payment.
Oh well, shit. All right, I'll scoop it all up, asshole.
Alright, man. I'll see you when you get here.
Asshole.